Hello guys, subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for the updates. Today in this video, I'm going to review the all new Hyundai Santro Top Asta AMT variant. So before going to the video, I would like to give credit to the showroom for allowing me to shoot this video. You can contact the showroom for any sales enquiry. So this is the all new Hyundai Santro Top Asta variant in the polar white color you can see. So Hyundai Santro Asta comes with a 2 engine options, that is a 1.1 liter 4-cylinder Epsilon MPI BS6 petrol engine, which makes the maximum power of 69 PS at the 5500 rpm and mated to the 5-speed manual or the smart auto AMT transmissions. Another engine is the 1.1 liter 4-cylinder Epsilon MPI CNG engine, which makes the maximum power of 60 PS at the 5500 rpm and mated to the 5-speed manual gearbox. So Santro comes with a warranty of 3 years or 1 lakh kilometers, whichever is earlier. So the on-road price of this Hyundai Santro Top Asta AMT variant here in Karnataka is 7,68,000. So this is the on-road price of the Hyundai Santro Top Asta AMT variant, 7,68,000. So you can see the side profile. I'm showing you the side profile. This is how the Santro looks from the side angle. You can see the front grill there, hexagonal grill. So this is the headlight. You can see normal halogen reflector headlight with the turn indicator, and the fog light you can see in the front bumper. So coming to the wheels here, you are getting the 14-inch steel wheels with the wheel caps. So you can see the ORVM, body colored ORVM with the LED turn indicators on both sides. So you can see this is how the car looks from the back side angle view. So the safety features of this Hyundai Santro Top Asta AMT variant are engine immobilizer, central locking, front fog lamps, rear defogger, day-night inside rear view mirror, then rear parking sensors, reverse camera with the display on the audio, then keyless entry, driver and passenger side airbag, front seat belt pretensioners with the load limiters, ABS with the ABD, speed sensing auto door lock, impact sensing auto door unlock, child safety door locks, driver and passenger side seat belt reminder, speed alert system. So these are the safety features of this Hyundai Santro Top Asta AMT variant. So coming to the tail lights, you can see you're getting the halogen reflectors, the tail light with the turn indicator and the reverse light. So all the lights are halogen reflectors. So this is the reverse parking camera mounted on the rear boot. You can see. So this is the Santro badge on the left side of the rear boot. So you are getting the 2 parking sensors on the rear bumper, that is the reverse parking sensors. So this is the rear defogger on the rear windshield, you can see. This is the rear wiper. So this is the high mounted stop lamp and the rear washer, you can see there. So this is how the Santro looks. I'm opening the boot now. So you need to open the boot in the key itself. So this is the boot of this Santro. You can see. So this is the rear parcel tray. You can see. So you're getting the spare wheel here, which is a 13 inch wheel, spare tire. So there is no boot light in the Santro. I'm closing the boot now. So coming to the front cabin, you can see the old school door handle. So this is the dual tone door, you can see, with the 1 liter bottle holder and the speaker. So there is no power window control here or the mirror adjusting control, you can see on the door handle. So this is how the cabin looks from the outside. So you can see it here. I'm showing you the seat recliner. So on the dashboard, right side of the driver dashboard, you can see you're getting the headlight adjuster and the mirrors adjustment control there. Electrically adjustable ORVMs, not foldable. So this is the key. There is no push button start in the top model. So this is the instrument cluster with the small MID, with the RPM meter also. The MID shows distance to empty, average fuel economy, trip meters and gear shift indicator. You can also see the digital fuel meter there. So this is the steering wheel, you can see, with the volume controls for the media, mute, you can say I'm showing it to you, and the call controls, call receive and call end buttons. On the right side you have the mode for the media, to change the mode to FM, audio, USB, like that. So this is the 17 centimeter touchscreen infotainment system. So that supports smartphone connectivity like Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink, Bluetooth connectivity, USB connectivity, then steering mounted audio, Bluetooth, voice recognition controls, Hyundai iBlue remote application, then pole antenna, and front and rear speakers. You can see I'm showing some of the controls in the infotainment system. Some settings I'm showing it to you. So below that you are getting the physical buttons to control the media. So below that you are getting the manual AC system, you can see. And below that you are getting the 12 volts charging socket and one USB port. One 12 volts charging socket and one USB port for the media. So this is the AMT gear knob, you can see. Currently it is in the neutral. So if I shift the gear to the reverse, you can see you are getting the reverse parking camera display on the infotainment screen, infotainment system screen. So I shifted back to neutral. In the center console you can see you are getting one cup holder and a parking brake and the rear AC vents also. So this is the dual tone dashboard, you can see beige and black color. So this is the glove box with no cooling function. So manual day night IRVM, you can see. So passenger side sun visor with the vanity mirror, you can see. And driver side sun visor with no mirror. Some instructions, AMT instructions there. So non-collapsible grab handles, you can see. So this is the mic for connecting the Bluetooth. So this is the only one cabin light on the rear side, you can see. There is no light in the front side. So this is how the dashboard looks from the wide angle view. And you should also observe that you are getting the power window, front door power window controls. So on the gear lever, you can see. I mean on the gearbox side, you can see. So these controls are there in the gearbox side and not on the door handles. So you can see the accelerator and the brake pedal, since this is the AMT. So coming to the rear cabin, so this is how the rear cabin looks. On the rear door, this is the dual tone color with the 1 liter bottle holder, speaker and the power window button. With no marking or light, etc. So this is the rear AC vent, you can see. So fixed headrest for the front seats, even in the top model. Non-collapsible grab handles. You can see the gold coated door knob there. And you can see the fixed rear headrests also. And the rear parcel tray. So you are not getting the height adjustable headrests in the top model also. So this is how the front dashboard looks from the rear cabin. The wide angle view, you can see. In the normal view. So friends, I hope this video is helpful for you if you are planning to purchase the Hyundai Santro Top Asta AMT model. So please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for the updates. Thank you.